Alright guys, I finished the new build. This is the Quadmovr frame. I used the Fettec motors I got from Slappy FPV, where I made the second place of the freestyle competition. And yeah, this is a very light frame. It's about 33 grams and the entire build weighs 333 grams, all up weight with camera and antennas and canopy and everything. And I don't know what to say about it. I flew it once, but just a test hover, and today we do the maiden flight. I think this will be fun, but the wind is pretty strong, so we will see. We are flying. Let's go. It's very windy. I can see the motors in the DVR. They look pretty cool, even in the DVR. I also can see the thumb in the DVR. It's so light. The wind is blowing it around a bit. Let's do a little speed run. Ui, ui, ui. It's fast. I think I made the camera mount 25 degrees, because normally I'm pretty locked in with my, yeah, it's 25 degrees. I guess we have to get used to it. Let's see if I can make you hear the motors. It's pretty quiet. That's crazy. It has so much punch. That's actually crazy. We get a little jiggle when I go off the gas, but I think that might be the wind actually. I already tested it once and I know that the hover point is at 12% gas, 12% throttle, I should say, which is really low for a 5-inch. They are normally at 20 to 25%. It flies really good. I only did a little bit of filter tuning, thanks to Olaf. I just sent him the logs and he says, do this, and it works. Yeah, it's fun. It just stays up there. It's crazy. Wow, this is so cool. Nice. The frame is pretty cheap, by the way. It's like 35 euro plus 8 euro for shipping. It took a while to get here, but it's pretty good quality and I really like it. It's super simple, very minimalistic and super light. And still has 6mm arms. It's pretty sturdy, I think. Besides the canopy version I got. But I might revisit that. And I had problems with the AIO mounting because the current version... Oh shit. Now we lost video. Wie dumm. Let's see if the dog can find it. Let's see if we get zapped by the fence. I don't think so. Did you find it? So. Wo ist die Drohne? Oh, there it is. Not sure what happened, but we lost the arm actually. Yeah, I know that. What happened? The stack got moved a little bit. Maybe I unplug it. I don't think I'm very lucky with 5-inch builds. I mean, look at it. I'm not sure what was the problem. That came out of nowhere. Also the stack got a little bent. I think I might have shorted something out maybe, but I don't think so. I guess we have to do an analysis. The motors look fine. So I think we went down like this, probably. Well, that didn't go as planned. Was it the antenna? Why did I lose video? I guess that's that. Damn it.